Hello traders, the title of this video is Get Powerful FS Elliott Wave Trading Strategy. Get Powerful FS Elliott Wave Trading Strategies. The financial instrument that we are about to discuss is the US dollar, Swedish krona. Alright. Have you ever traded the US dollar, Swedish krona currency pair before? Well, here it is, all right. So with this discussion, one will be able, okay, to know how to apply the Elliott wave principle to improve, okay, the FS trading, all right. You will get, okay, a powerful FS Elliott wave trading strategy. Following our guidelines at 2-4 Elliott wave website, we have here a consolidation that was in place, and suddenly we have the first Elliott wave. This is one of our guidelines to improve the Elliott wave consolidation, breakout, and a pullback. So this is my first Elliott wave, and followed by the second wave. As the third Elliott wave is underway, we will quickly apply the Fibonacci extension to the first wave. All right, I want to see the top of my first wave so I can apply my Fibonacci extension accurately. And once we apply the Fibonacci extensions to the first Elliott wave, we quickly highlight the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. So that will constitute the first target, the minimum target for the third Elliott wave. As you can see here, the price, as the third wave is underway, the price went to that level of 79166, and acknowledges that 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. Can you see the tail of this candle here? All right. So the price did open here because it was near that minimum target for the third Elliott wave. Elliott wave traders that are aware of this key level were trying to sell, were trying to take a bit of profit at that target point. So what usually takes place after we have identified the first wave and the second wave, and the third Elliott wave is underway, if we are buying during the third Elliott wave and the price going down, we are ready to take some profit as the price is approaching the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. So another way to improve your Fibonacci trading is to combine the Fibonacci extension with the Elliott wave theory. This will help you to improve your Fibonacci trading, because what usually takes place, the best breakout trading setup very often will take place at 161.8% Fibonacci extension level, and the best reversal will take place at 138.2% Fibonacci extension level. All right, so here we are. So you see how the price acknowledges, that 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. That's why the price it did open here, it went down a bit. That's why this candle here has a tail. You can also notice that as the price breaks above it, people were still trying to sell in this zone. You see this candle here, we're trying to sell near that level, the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. All right. So, will you agree with me that it is important for forex traders, for currency traders, to apply the Elliott wave theory, so they may improve their trading, so they may know exactly what is going on? All right. So after that, the price went above that level and continued to go up. So we know that when it goes above the 138.2 level, we start watching the next key level, which is what? The 200% level. All right, the 261% level and the 314% level. You see how the market has also acknowledges the 200% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. Will that be useful to you? You can understand why the price did slow down here. You understand why this candle here has a tail. All right, now it's pushing it up. If I bring more data into my Fibonacci extension, I want to bring on now 261.8% on my chart. Hold on, please, traders. So you may see that level also on your chart, the 261.8%. It's coming up, my friends, coming up. Set at the default, yes. Okay, here it is. See the 261.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. Pew. That's where the third Elliott wave has stopped. Isn't it beautiful? All right. So now you understand why he slowed down here, why he found a resistance here, followed by the fourth Elliott wave and the fifth Elliott wave. This is what we call truncation. All right, when the fifth wave couldn't go above the high of the third Elliott wave. A very tiny fifth wave here. So we have first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, and the fifth wave. Feel free to disagree with my wave count. As always, when I'm counting wave, I use one specific verification, especially if the correction that is underway is a flat correction. I just apply the Fibonacci extension to the fifth Elliott wave to know whether we have an expanded flat correction. That is very, very helpful for me when I'm counting wave to verify clearly whether I have pinpointed the best fifth Elliott wave or not. And this will also help you to improve your wave count. So first wave, second wave, third wave, all the way here, not here, all the way up here, followed by the fourth wave and the fifth wave. Because if you put your third Elliott wave ending here, you will say what here? You have 1, 2, 3, which is a corrective. Okay, 1, 2, 3 is not an impulsive price structure. So if you pull the end of the third Elliott wave, you will say what? 1, 2, 3 for the fifth wave? No, it's incorrect. So therefore, we cannot put the top of the third Elliott wave here, but we will put it instead here. So we have a very shallow fourth Elliott wave and also a very tiny fifth wave. Then we have after the fifth wave, so the fifth wave is ending right here. Now we have 1, 2, 3. So the first thing that is coming to our mind is a flat correction. Here we have a complex flat correction because you have 1, 2, 3, and then we have another move up. That's what we call X. It's a complex flat correction. You see that the price came down again here. This is another 1, 2, 3. It's not very clear. Some traders may disagree. You can see it came down. You see, it came down in a straight line here. Will you agree? Check it out. Okay, it went down. A bit messy, so it went down. So you may say it went down like this, it went a bit up, it went down, it went up, it went down. But one thing is for sure is that the price went down. So it went down 1, 2, 3, up, and then it came down again. This is another X here. Those are the X wave. I'm going to color them into red. Another X between the corrections. And here again, another correction. Down. So it's a complex flat correction. Now we have again, now this is the B part of the flat correction. So 1, 2, 3, X, correction, X, correction, 1, 2, 3. So this is the B part of the flat correction. And if we apply the Fibonacci extension, which I always use to validate my expanded flat correction, if we apply it carefully to our fifth Elliott wave, carefully and as exactly without cheating, the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of that fifth Elliott wave is the red line here. So the B part of the flat correction is now in a zone. Okay, it went to 161.8% zone, but it's in a zone of 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of my tiny fifth wave. So our expectation now that what we will say to traders at this point in time, that this currency pair, the US dollar, Swedish krona, has a high chance to go down all the way near the low of the A part of the flat correction. I'm going to move this line here near the low of this is the low of the A part of the flat correction. 1, 2, 3. So that this US dollar, Swedish krona, has a high chance, slowly but gradually, in a medium term, to go down all the way to the level of 80934. Now, this is an expectation. This is a market forecast. If the market responded and it continues to go down, it has a high chance to reach that level. In the worst case scenario, there are other key levels. If it breaks below that price target level, okay, if it breaks, I'm going to use it carefully here, all the way here. If it breaks below that target of 80934, well, the next target is the 138.2% Fibonacci extension level of the A part of the zigzag pattern. So those are the key levels we must watch. If it breaks below this one, the next one is here. Does it mean it will reach that level? No, it has a high chance. If it breaks below this one, it has a high chance to reach this level, but it does not have to. All right? And if it breaks below the second target, it has a high chance to go to the next target level, which is the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the A part of the flat correction. We are talking here about the expanded flat correction. The title of this video, as I told you before, is a Get Powerful FS Elliott Wave Trading Strategies. Here you can see that an Elliott Wave trader will be able to trade this currency pair as it reaches this level. A trader may know that this point here, the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first wave. An Elliott Wave trader understands what's going on here. If he reaches this level, he understands what is taking place here near the 200 level. The price was acknowledging that level, and near the 261.8% Fibonacci extension level of the first level, Elliott Wave trader understands what's going on. And now here it is, 1, 2, 3. The first thing that is coming to the mind of an Elliott Wave trader is that we are likely to see a flat correction. Boom. But now we have a complex correction, which is quite challenging for traders to trade. But you can see that the price was consolidating here. All right? There is a bit of similarity between there is a lot of similarities between the US dollar, Norwegian krone, and the US dollar. There are similarities between the US dollar, Swedish krona, and the US dollar, Norwegian krone. Have I made myself clear? We are looking now at the US dollar, Swedish krona, and I'm saying to you there are similarities between the US dollar, Swedish krona, and the Norwegian krone. All right, here it is. This is I'm going to bring here. This is the Norwegian krone, the US dollar, Norwegian krone. You see, I have counted with here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we have a flat correction 1, 2, 3, and this is the B part of the flat correction, bringing the price to the 161.8% Fibonacci extension level of the fifth wave. Now, contrary, a little bit of difference here because the B part was completed, okay, for the US dollar, Norwegian krone. Before we see now a consolidation. But when you look at the US dollar, Swedish krona, after the A part of the correction, we have straight away the consolidation. But for the US dollar, Norwegian krona, we have the B part of the flat correction before the consolidation. But here you can see that the consolidation is in place before the B part of the flat correction is completed right here. So our expectation that this currency pair, the US dollar, Swedish krona, has a high chance to come down near the low of the A part of the flat correction. Does not have to. This is our expectation, has a high probability that slowly but gradually in the medium term may reach this target. And if it breaks below this level, break below, retest, we'll try to sell it to the next target here, 76952. Break below, retest, continue to go down, bring it down to 74840. And if it continues to go down for one reason or another, provided that the market sentiment is bearish, all right, it will go down to the 200% Fibonacci extension level of the A part of the flat correction. I doubt it that it go down all the way here. There's a high chance that it may find support near the low of the A part of the flat correction. Remember that the wave count that we are counting here on the weekly chart is a minor wave of a higher degree. So in that case, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave all the way up here will constitute okay, a wave, an impulse wave of a higher degree, and a flat correction will constitute okay, a second wave of a higher degree. We are now at the beginning of the C part of the flat correction, and we are expecting it to come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhere near the low of the flat correction. That's the conservative target. And if they push it down to the next target at 76952, even down to 74840, and in the worst case scenario 71602, that remains to be seen. So always, if the price going down, you will display lower lows, lower high. We want to sell. We are looking for break below, retest, and then we implement a top-down trading method to sell it. This is the end of this tutorial talking about get powerful FS Elliott wave trading strategies, Elliott wave strategy that one can apply in the forex market for day trading, for swing trading, for position trading, using the Elliott wave count and the wave pattern to forecast the next price move, because it's quite challenging to trade the currencies of the forex market. With the Elliott wave, we can simplify the complexity of FS trading. All right, we will know, we understand the price structure, we will understand the language of the price, and we can position ourselves, okay, and time the market, the forex market, more accurately and avoid a lot of forex trading mistakes. All right, a lot of forex trading mistakes. All right, all right. I hope you have learned something from this video also, and we put it to use, okay, to make excellent FS Elliott wave trading decisions. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and of course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about get powerful FS Elliott wave trading strategies. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.